At a press conference held on the 3rd of November, contractual staff of the Northeastern Police Academy Nepa Barapani informed newspersons about the problems faced by them due to non-payment of salaries and other benefits by the management. Speaking on behalf of the staff members, Rablang Jalong said that the contractual staff who have been under much work pressure have not been paid their salary of 6 months. The adamant attitude of the management of the academy had prompted them to even take loans from different quarters just to make ends meet, Jalong informed. It may be mentioned that the 62 contractual staff members and a few freshers who have been outsourced do not have a provident fund or employment state insurance account, even though the same has been deducted from their monthly salary. Jalong added that despite having submitted their appeal to the Labour Office, yet till date there has been no response from the latter's end. He therefore urged upon the state government to resolve the issue of pending salaries and other benefits of the contractual workers so that they too are assured of a secure future for themselves and their dependents.
Tuklar lep mo ini kam jungi ma matun rongang ini jue jinjar jungi ma hai bede ini kam tam ti ni la lek ni ma sha gil bot office ni la ai ki application sha director te hadu mentar kim sim khai ini kam te dengan saya ban wan ne ban pa jing jungi apa ide beneka kam lada kasarkan kalian ben long isn man ta jungi kini belam bentuk kelar lem beneka kam kan tam ni badan kon mukti saya bin mat kan kata ka ram se na preng jungi dan mo ki badan lun habang lane ben sim lun malik tu te kalun se karam habang isim te hap sil ka por pa biang te le se ka tulap nyo te nang e kan se bin wat kata ka bisa ma bat ka hap la jong ro bangi de ben yo ngi myo te long ta kan ka sim ju e kan yangi
Penkrau Langsun, while lamenting on the stepmotherly treatment meted out to the staff members by the management, further informed that the director of the academy, Deepak Kumar, had been approached by them a number of times on the matter, but there has never been any positive response in addressing the issue at hand. Sun also added that the plight of the workers is such that they are not able to even cater to or meet the needs of the family.
Ada kakam ka bahasa pengin pendak pengin jadi pendak sisni mut ni hapne bor sini tentang ni bamjar sudah mesti pendak santu kakam ni bamjar. Nak bahasa kan ni sedang mentrai kuntu nado kena baje mustab te hayin director dari kakam ba sebagai dak nak tang apa menurut pertanyaan kata ni pendap senan merkendai hadu lai bajir mitrai do sa bajir mitrai ni selain senan siang tu kan yang kajang ni bam senan dah wai senan dap senan kakam bacam be hadu kata lu ni sacrifice le dir hadu kata rote dah di bahasa kakam ban yu kan tingin kenya kata andai ni dia akram be katu lok pada long sutho te woman yang ni casual lu ngamda woman ni na ang tip ngamdan tip dari kakam pada te menyukai menurut katang cizo tua yang kata makile kuma chumpau ne makile kinslam ki permanent kan lang ki permanent staff ne kinslam tulak tang RC kila knyum kila yachi to office boleh po tulak ki permanent ne kapung jingte le wang te bahar ki katulak jong kile chaun ku nata sitari ro kimpoy mutang hapo lai po at kunda ku pratari la po tulak re yang ikhndia ro pindan je perkhat kan ti a yang sisngi ringte long nak itulap angin ayo kita bayar kena hajar te awi bunai yo 10,000 awi bunai pagi yo 1,000 ada mentang yang suto kanu ki yang isi singiro yang kimpen syate yang ini dan plus nak kalian director ni nak pakai ni ikut application mo ina aso kadang mentau sim kia ni mong hira penuh re hang ti tu director ulong kumu try kan bapak nya kata jaka bapak ini kinong try baro ang ke marsi senong director sekenten ni hap mu te timlah kai ban yu ndai apa dia bakajing apa jini umlah kai ban ye ngilingok kai kata kalau director umlah lagi yang ni te man ni datang tu pu arngul nei tau ukwa mu ban ana ka tulop jini tang hapo istayo la dia lala nung ka buat mu kadang hadu kata kan director te ka buat mu ka klan ma nei ka lungo ba yang ni boleh tahu le ne